Morning growers, welcome to a lovely sunny morning in Kent. Today we will be putting up our bean and pea tunnel, so watch us to find out how we do it. This is where we're going to put it. We've got the second bed in there. I haven't measured exactly how far it's going to go apart. The first thing we're going to do is move the bed and just trim or mow right the way down. Right, grass mown or weeds mown. We've laid that new bed down just roughly, and now we're going to get the arches. This is what we're using for a 6-foot bed. We're using 2 garden arches. We'll put them at either end of the beds. So let's put them together. Okay, now we've skipped ahead a little bit because Rose was using my phone for her chess lesson. She had that. We stuck her in the shed and she was using that, so I couldn't video. So what we've done here is we've put the 2 arches up. So one in this corner, one in that corner, and then we've just started to set this bed up. So we worked out how wide the arches were and put the other bed here. We've got cardboard down, and now Rose is going to give it a good water. This is how we make our no dig beds. Is that it? We need lots more, darling.
I know.
So she's just going to get more water. So once this has been given a good soaking, a couple of watering canfuls at least, then we will put some compost on. That's ready to plant into immediately. And I just need to push these down. The other ones went in easy because, as you can see at the edge, these have been here a while and the cardboard has started to rot away, whereas the cardboard here is new. So I'll make some holes with a screwdriver just so we can push that in. Okay, and what I've done there is I've just pushed these in like I said, and just made sure it was all even and the same. Rose has given the bed a good wetting. Before I put compost in, I want to be able to lift up the side of this bed, so we're going to put some weed matting down, just down the middle. What will eventually happen is this path here will go all the way down to the front. So I'm just going to lay the weed matting out.
Let's got me some wood chip in before I need pot.
Well done, Rose. Tip it right forward. Right forward. So you can see we've got the weed matting down, we've tucked it underneath the beds, and Rose is just putting some wood chip. It's going to take a few goes, I think. We need a small wheelbarrow, like one of those bucket type ones, I think, for Rose. She's too big for her kiddie wheelbarrow now. You can see a lizard.
Yeah, baby one.
Where?
Right there. Camouflage.
Oh yeah. Where is it? I just saw it move. Are we going to find it? Not right now. Just getting some more wood chip. Rose is going to sleep well tonight, I think. Good job we're not in any rush. Nice day for it, isn't it, Rose?
Yeah.
Right, now what we've done is we've got a 6-foot bamboo cane, put it along here, and Rose is just simply cable tying it in.
One more at this end.
And one over here. We've put them in the corners here too.
Phew, it's a pretty hot day today.
It is a hot day today.
The wind blew the cable tie.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to put bamboo canes along each of the laddery bits all the way over. We'll come back when that's done. And this is the end of day 1. You can see we've put the bamboo canes across, and then actually I've got 3 more to do, but I've run out of cable ties at the allotment. I do have some at home, so we'll bring them down tomorrow, and then we'll show you when it's finished putting the bamboo canes across. Okay, so we've come back the next day with extra cable ties, and actually Nick came down at lunchtime, so it saved me getting the ladders out, and he managed to get those over. So they're all done, and then I've just put 1 string over just to show you. So I've started here and I've left a long string so that I can tie in whatever plant is here at the time. And then that has literally just gone up and over all the way down to the other side. And again, I've left a long string to tie in whatever is there. So that's our arch. Pretty smart, isn't it? So it should look really good with all our peas and beans growing up. And you know what, if it's not too late, I might even grow some bottle gourds. I've been wondering about that, but we're going to have 2 arches here, so lots of space to grow things over. So that's all from me today. If you give this a go, let me know if you have your own arch, your own way of making arches. Let me know in the comments, and subscribe to our video so you can see how this looks in the summer. Take care everybody, see you later, bye bye.